Good morning, P2 students. Today is Tuesday and it's the 16th of June 2020. For today's class, we're going to answer our assignment from yesterday, right? So again, our learning objective for today is that we are going to review the assignment yesterday. So our assignment yesterday is that you are going to identify if the picture here uses a motor or a buzzer, right? So again, this is a washing machine, alarm clock. This one is a CD player. This is a doorbell. This is a remote controlled car. And here is the fan. So you are just going to answer and write down like for example, the washing machine uses a motor for it to move or for it to spin. Okay, so here, so again, you see the pictures, right? So if you have the book with you, so please look at it. And it's on page 28, your learner's activity book. So here, so this is our review. So here we are going to write down the words if it uses a motor or a buzzer, and then later here we are just going to connect if a washing machine uses a motor. So just to review. So this is also a review. Here we write down the words. Here we just connect the line. Okay. So in the example, washing machine, it uses what? A motor or a buzzer? Motor, right? So it enables the machine to work or to spin. So we will write motor here. Motor, right? So this is letter T. Alarm clock. Alarm clock needs to spin or move, or it needs to make sound. And again, if it makes sound, we use, did I hear buzzer? Yeah, so we use buzzer. Buzzer makes sound. How about a CD player? CD player, it needs to spin, to turn around, to move. So we can listen to it so that the CD will play. It has to spin. Right? So a CD player needs motor in order for it to spin, to move. How about a doorbell? A doorbell makes sound, right? So if it makes sound, we use buzzer. Because buzzer makes sound, so we use buzzer here. How about the remote control car? For the remote control car, for it to move, we need what? We need a motor for the remote control to move or spin around, right? So we write motor. How about the fan? The fan needs for it to move, we need a motor. Very good. So again, here. So here we're going to connect the lines if it needs motor or buzzer. Washing machine, buzzer, motor. Yes, motor here. Alarm clock makes sound. Motor or buzzer? It's alarm clock makes sound, so buzzer here. How about a CD player? CD player needs to spin and move. It needs a motor. Very good. How about a doorbell? Makes sound. It's a buzzer, right? How about the controlled car, remote controlled car? In order for it to move, we need a motor, just like the cars, right? And the last one, a fan. In order for it to spin, we need a motor also. Yay! So, did you get perfect? Yeah, some of you were confused about CD player and remote control car, but it's okay. Now you know the correct answer. that would be all. Thank you so much for your time, and I have something for you. Yay! It's a gift from me to you, and you got a star. Goodbye.